When doing your core workouts, you may be trying to figure out, how do I activate and feel my core turn on? In this video, I'm going to break down a few tips to feel your core turn on and help to activate it more during your workouts. Hey, my name is Gina. I'm a prenatal fitness trainer and birth doula, and in this video, I'm going to break down 3 ways that you can feel your core turn on even more during your core workouts and during your exercises. The first thing that we're going to be focusing on is, how do we engage that deep core? And the first way that we can do that is with diaphragmatic breathing. What diaphragmatic breathing is we're integrating the deep core system to manage pressure within the abdominal cavity. So the diaphragm moves down as the pelvic floor also moves down with it, and all of the muscles that kind of surround the sides of the core canister are going to expand outwards and then come back in during exhalation. And so this deep core system is what is helping to stabilize our spine. It's also helping us to manage that pressure. It is what is going to help us really feel our core exercises even more. The deep core system includes the diaphragm, the pelvic floor, our transverse abdominis known as the corset abs, the multifidi, which is along the spine, and some folks will include the internal obliques. And so you can do diaphragmatic breathing in a few different positions. You can do it laying down on the floor, in a seated position, or even standing. So first, you want to feel the rib cage expand out and feel your back push into the floor. And then we want to think exhale to lift up in the front and pull belly to spine. So inhale to feel the ribs push out and the back push into the floor. And then exhale, think lift up in that front half of the pelvic floor, pull belly to spine. And then you can try this breathing in multiple positions, such as a seated position, all the way to standing. And you may find that the more active a position that you move into, the more you kind of feel this deep core movement as well. For a lot of us, we tend to have a little bit more tension or tightness to the back side of our body and a little bit more length to the front side of our body. And so when we breathe into our back, it helps to kind of stretch the tight muscles back here. And then we exhale to pull belly in. It helps to contract or shorten the muscles that are a little bit long on the front side. And so breathing can be a really great way to feel our core a little bit more, because we're turning on the system at a really deep layer even more. Since breathing is what turns on our deep core, we can also use our exhalation and the sound that we make to help turn it on even more. And so you can make like a shh type noise when you exhale, which is going to help to kind of turn that core on even more. If you're still not really feeling it when you do the strong exhale, we may need to also really emphasize the inhalation to help bring some more length so that we can generate some more power. And so instead of just thinking exhale, shh, 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 we also want to think this really big inhale into the back, which is going to bring some more length to our core canister to where we can exhale even stronger, because we have a little bit more distance to move. So a big inhale and then exhale, shh. And you'll find that your exhales are going to be much stronger and you're going to feel it a lot more because we have more of an inhale to kind of work from. The third thing that we can do is we can incorporate some visual cues. So we focused on our diaphragmatic breathing. We integrated a stronger exhale with a stronger inhale. And now we can incorporate some visual cues to help us engage the core. And so you can think, as you exhale, try to pull the 2 hip bones together. So exhale. From there, you can think zipper up the center of the belly. So exhale. And sometimes those 2 cues together can help you engage the core even more. So the 3 things that you can do to help turn your core on even more is to engage the deep core system by diaphragmatic breathing. So think inhale into the back side of our body, exhale to lift up. You can also add in like a shh or a strong exhalation noise to help turn on those muscles even more. If you're not feeling with that, we do need to also have a strong inhalation as well. And then the third cue is to add some visual cues. So we can think exhale, pull the hip bones together, and then zipper up the center of the spine. And then as a bonus tip, so tip number 4, if you're still not feeling your core exercises, we may need to increase the challenge or the demand on the movement, because it may just be too easy for you. So if you're doing your bird dog, for example, and you're doing the movement and we're just really not feeling the core turn on anymore, but we're doing all of those additional cues, we may need to just increase the challenge of the movement. So instead of doing all the same side, maybe we alternate from side to side, which is going to require you to shift your weight, which increases the stability demand. We can add more load to increase the challenge by rowing with it as we extend the leg. We can decrease the stability by adding in a little bit of a destabilizer with this Pilates ball. And then we can get off the floor and move to more upright core training positions, such as a farmer's carry, a paylock press, or even some rotational exercises with the weights. So I hope these tips help you to feel your core turn on even more during your movements. Focus on that diaphragmatic breathing with that strong inhalation and a strong exhalation by making some noise. We can add in some visual cues. And then, of course, just add more demand if you're not feeling your movements. It may just not be challenging enough for you. We incorporate core training throughout all of our prenatal and postpartum fitness programs because it's important that we keep our core strong during pregnancy, not only to support our baby's position and to support us during birth, but also to keep us comfortable throughout our pregnancy. And our prenatal core training can help to support our postpartum core as well. In the postpartum, we want to continue to train our core to help rebuild it after birth so that we can feel strong and capable as we approach motherhood. If you want to check out any of our online fitness programs, you can use code YouTube10 to get 10% off any of our online offerings, both for pregnancy and for the postpartum. We offer our programs in two formats. We have our app-based format and our on-demand-based format. App is going to be a list of exercises with demo videos. This is going to be great for the gym goer who likes to work out at their own pace. And then our on-demand videos are going to be full-length workout videos that you follow and work out with at the same time. We now have incorporated the on-demand videos into the first 6 weeks of our postpartum app-based program as well. So you kind of get to choose your adventure both with watching a video and by following a self-paced workout. Check out all of our programs on our website at MamasteFit.com. And thank you for choosing us to support you on your prenatal and postpartum journey.